What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making Thousand Island dressing, homemade Thousand Island dressing, Sister J's way. Come along with me and let me show you how I make my homemade Thousand Island dressing for my salad. Here are the ingredients for my Thousand Island dressing. I have mayonnaise, ketchup, yellow mustard, relish, and honey. So we're gonna need 2 parts of mayonnaise to 1 part of ketchup. So we're gonna do 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And 2 tablespoons of ketchup. One tablespoon of mustard. And mix this together and combine. If you want, you can put it in the blender. So the mustard, the mayonnaise, and the ketchup all combine. Look at this, guys. Okay. So now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of relish. And a tablespoon of honey. Guys, as we all know, the salad is healthy, but the dressing is not. But a lot of time we don't eat the salad because it's not tasty. So we have to put our dressing on it. Well, my favorite dressing is Thousand Island dressing. And I try to make the homemade one. So this is my homemade Thousand Island dressing. Now I have my salad right here. Here's my salad. Guys, you gotta try this Thousand Island dressing. It is so good. I make it all the time, guys. So now I'm gonna share my salad out. And guys, this is my Thousand Island dressing for my salad. Yum, yum. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I thank you so much. Please take care of yourself and loved ones. Stay safe. Guidance. Be blessed.